How's it going, people? Today we have another Flyease for you, and it is the Go Flyease. Now the official colorway to this is called Blue, White, Dutch Blue. Now these come in a blue box, which is nice to see. It's a change from all the usual red boxes we get. Now as soon as you open the lid, there's a reminder from Nike that we're all just stupid. It's an instruction basically on how to wear these shoes. And I know what these shoes are for. They're for people who have a physical limitation, people who can't tie their shoes, people who struggle to wear the shoes themselves. And I get that, but the thing I don't understand is why these are released in such limited quantities. I'm sure you guys are aware when the Go Flyease were first announced, hypebeasts and people who like to flex just bought these and resold them on StockX and whatnot for £1,000, £2,000, and people who actually needed them couldn't get their hands on them because of the insane price increase and the limited amount that was released by Nike. And obviously with time that went on, Nike released more and more of these, the prices dropped drastically, and even on the resale market you can get them for like 200 quid now, which is still a lot more than retail. But yeah, the shoes themselves, they're fantastic. I mean, I can see them working. The idea is fantastic. The way they implemented everything, the quality and the comfort is there as well. So yeah, let's get on with the on feet. As per instruction from the beginning, which was inside the lid, this is how Nike wants you to wear these shoes. And the way you take them off is by pressing on the heel tab. Now I want to mention this sizing on these particular Go Flyease. My usual size is a 7.5, but for some reason these felt a little too tight for me. I mean, I have loads of room in the toe area, but the sides were really tight. I'm not sure if it's because of the socks I was wearing or if it's just my feet, but these felt a little too tight for me, and I would definitely recommend going half a size up on these ones. Crease wise, we have to do the crease test no matter what shoe, no matter what the price, and these are definitely safe on the crease test. I don't see them creasing anytime soon, and that's due to the materials that were used. But yeah, I mean, you can wear them with a peace of mind knowing that they will never get creased. Well, they will not get creased easily, let's just put it that way. So yeah guys, that's it for today. That's it with the Go Flyease. But let me know what you guys think. What's your opinion on these particular sneakers? And I will see you on the next one.